Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix service StabiliTrak light error message. So the service StabiliTrak light in your vehicle indicates an issue with the StabiliTrak system, which is responsible for vehicle stability and traction control. So here are some of the methods that you can try in order to diagnose and fix the issue. First of all, you need to reset the StabiliTrak system. For that, you need to park the vehicle in a safe location and turn off the engine. Then leave the vehicle off for at least 15 minutes to allow the system to reset. Then turn the vehicle back on and check if the service StabiliTrak light is still on. If the light goes off, the system has successfully reset. If doesn't, then you can try the second method of checking the wheel speed sensors. For that, you need to use an OBD2 scanner to read the error codes from the vehicle's ECU. Then you need to look for the codes related to the wheel speed sensor. You need to locate the wheel speed sensors on each wheel hub or check for any visible damage, dirt and debris. If the sensors are dirty, you need to clean them using a brake cleaner. If they are damaged, then you need to replace the faulty sensors. In the third method, you can inspect and repair the wiring and the connections. For that, you need to inspect the wiring harness connected to the StabiliTrak system, then wheel speed sensors and other related components for any visible damage, wear or loose connections. You need to ensure all electronic connectors are securely attached. So a loose connection can cause intermittent issues that trigger the service StabiliTrak light. If you find any damaged wires, use electrical tape or wire connectors to repair them. In some cases, you may need to replace the entire section of the wiring harness. You can even check the brake system. So issues with the brake system such as low brake fluid or worn brake pads can also trigger the service StabiliTrak light. So you need to inspect the brake system and address any issue. You can even inspect the battery and the alternator. So low battery voltage or a failing alternator can also cause various electronic issues, including the triggering of the service StabiliTrak light. So you need to test the battery and the alternator and replace them if necessary. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.